Oh, there he is.
You got him?
Dude, he's massive.
What is up, guys? Today we're out here. We got multiple river spots. It's raining, but hopefully the bite will be good. We got this deep blue spot on this rock wall over here. We're gonna try for some smallmouth, maybe some red eyes, who knows. But stay tuned. We're gonna try to get them. On to the next spot. This spot, I don't know, we got some little largemouths in here. Stay tuned. The video is not over.
Oh.
That scared me, dude. I thought it was a stick, but it scared me because I thought I was about to have to go near that gar. We're out here on the next spot. Not much action. I thought there'd be a lot in that current right there, but so far we only had a gar. I haven't caught it yet, but so I don't think they're gonna eat this anyway, but who knows? It's just a waiting game, really. But I have a feeling if we walk through here enough, we'll get one.
Bro, that was right away.
Calm down, buddy.
That looks like a smallmouth.
It is.
Nice.
It's my PB smallmouth. He's just right there. Bye, buddy. We've got one fish so far. We're looking for a little bigger than that today. Hopefully, we will catch bigger. But they're right in here in this little area. It's a good skipper.
Dang.
He was all red eye. He wasn't a smallmouth. But fish is a fish. As you can see, guys, we've hit the honey hole. Well, nothing big yet, but we're catching fish. That's really all that. Oh, I just missed another one. It's really all that matters. All you got to do is go get you a little jig head and a little crawl like this. Go to your creek. I like to run braid and put a little leader line on it. I put about an 8-pound leader line on there, but some people like it a little lower fishing in these creeks. But I find it good like this, and you just gotta get out and do it, man. They're out here. See y'all whenever I catch another one. I'm having too much fun catching these smallies.
I know. Massive rock bass out here like this big. You got one?
All red eye. So we got 2 red eye, 1 smallmouth. I practically want this thing on free spool.
What?
I practically want. They're just everywhere. Back-to-back casts, they're just everywhere. All right, we're gonna get a release of this guy. Always gotta, after they get done fighting, always gotta give them a good little push back. I was just saying 2 red eye, 1 bass. Now we have 3 red eye, 1, or they're all bass, but man, they're tearing this up. Dude, they're just tearing it up right here, but like every time I try to set the hook, they're just like too small or something. There we go.
That is a tiny bass.
That is the smallest smallmouth I've ever caught. But it's a smallmouth. Hey, three rock bass, 2 smallmouth. And he's so small, but yet so big. Honestly, this would be the thumbnail. So we caught some smallmouth, some rock bass. Now we're trying to catch these. We don't know if they're alligators, spotted, long nose. We're trying to catch these gar. We had one literally right up on it, just stared at it, and he didn't want anything to do with it. We're gonna keep trying. There's just like a 5-pounder just sitting right here. Oh!
What? Is that a bass?
No, a gar.
Oh! There he is!
You got him?
Dude! Oh! Oh! Dude, he's massive!
Let's go!
I said bring the pliers, son.
Oh my! You gotta pull him up. I can't. He's.
Dude, he's pulling drag.
Oh my!
He pulled the drag all the way. Oh, dude, this is insane. That is something I would not want in my hand. I really don't know how to freaking release him. That was so fun. We're out here trying to catch some bass on the pond, but if we catch any, we'll put it in here. Try casting it deep, see if they'll eat it deep. Ty's first largemouth bass. He's gonna come off. Out fishing me at this pond. There you go. There's your PB bass. That one's bigger than the last one. There's your PB largemouth. About a 1/2 pound. He's a little bigger than yours.
It's a pretty nice one.
So today we started about 3 o'clock. Fished, didn't catch a single thing, and that's one spot. So we moved to downriver, probably 7 miles downriver. We slayed some tiny smallmouth. I mean, you can't really complain, man. It's the creek. We got rock bass, smallmouth, and the gar, and we just got a largemouth in here, a couple largemouths. So new video coming tomorrow. Peace. 99% of you aren't subscribed.